In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Tasks with Google Calendar. Open a new browser tab and go to calendar.google.com. When Google Calendar loads, find the View drop-down in the top right corner beside the Settings gear. Click it, then select Week. The calendar changes to a 7-day grid for the current week. In the left sidebar, find the My Calendar section. Look for tasks in that list. Hover over Tasks, and a checkbox appears to its left. If it is not already ticked, click the checkbox once. This turns on the Tasks calendar, so tasks with due dates can display on the grid. Now look along the far right edge of the calendar window for the vertical icon strip. Click the Tasks icon, a blue circle with a check mark. The panel slides open on the right and shows your Google Tasks lists. Near the top of the panel, click Add a Task. Type a short title for the task and wait until the full title is visible before continuing. Next, click the calendar icon labeled Add Date and Time. In the Date and Time picker, choose a day later this week. Click Add Time, choose the specific time for the task, and click Done. The task shows in the panel with its date and time underneath. Close the Tasks panel. On the calendar grid, look at the day and time you selected. A task block should appear there, marked with a small checkbox or check circle icon. Click the task block. A small pop-up opens with the task title, date, and time, confirming that the same task is editable from the calendar grid. Click anywhere outside the pop-up to close it. Click and hold the task block on the grid. Then drag it to a different day or time slot within the current week. Release the mouse to drop it. The task snaps to the new slot, and the updated date and time flow back to Google Tasks. Click the task block again to open the pop-up. Click the circle checkbox to the left of the task title. The task is marked complete. It disappears from the calendar grid and appears under Completed in the Tasks panel. The completion status also syncs to Google Tasks in Gmail, Drive, and mobile. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is the native two-way sync working.